November 21st at 10 a.m. PST, which is probably before this, so our store is live. Link in the bio or down below. First item, cup holders, clear edition. Got the pink and the purple. First piece of clothing, we have the Style Is Not a Crime hoodie. These designs will be available in white and black t-shirts and hoodies. So yeah, there's the front. Style Is Not a Crime. Some lightning. Blue lightning. There's the back, the Crown Vic on some Longchamps. We have the silhouette. The Gazelle silhouette NASCAR style hoodie. Small wheels forever. That's the back. There's the front. Limited quantities of everything. And then there's the
toque too.
Yeah, and then we have a toque, as Americans call them, beanies for some reason. But yeah. So, link down below. All the money goes into our shitty cars. If you want to support the boys and get some nice, comfortable merchandise, then give her. I'll just show one design on the white NASCAR style one on a white t-shirt. Size is small to 3XL, limited quantities, so yeah. Hit the link below.
Hello?
Alright. Ben's all gloved up.
Okay, right into the video. Look at this.
No, this will be after. Why don't you just talk about
Dude, I have a vision. So, we did this last night. SR's out. If any of you, some of you might know, Adam and I went submarine mode with the SR.
It flooded here.
It was probably like 1.5 foot of water we drove through. And then, it's out now. We didn't try to get it running before we pulled it, so we'll deal with that later. It's probably fine. But, I have a bunch of parts that I've been stockpiling over the next little while.
Take a look.
S13 turbos on the bench there.
He's got all this shit. ECU.
We got a ROM tune from RS Entropy, Martin, you know, good guy apparently. Customer service was pretty good, so I believe the rumors.
And the S15.
S15 turbo, you get a call yet or no? New clutch, some rad hoses, and we yoinked it.
Injectors too.
Yeah, some 550cc, what are they called, Deesh Works. So we're going to put all that on today, but we're going to play the clip from last night when Uncle Torrance was here, and we dropped this out.
Is that too big of a piece?
Dude, take what you want, whatever.
What kind
Oh
of
my
season?
God.
Holy fuck.
Share it with.
Here.
Share it with the,
Rip
How do
a
I
piece.
share this?
Just rip a piece.
rip a chunk.
I can't eat this all because I have a pizza.
Bitch.
Okay.
No, here, just take some of this. Here,
Yeah.
grab that whole chunk
Might be
and I'll pull my
half
piece
frozen
off.
salted.
Here, take my tip.
Nice one.
No, what the fuck are you doing?
Oh, I hate that so much.
Same.
You know what else I hate? Just
Like
the
lip
term
smacking?
ASMR. I'm like, ugh.
This shit slaps.
Nope. It's what?
This shit slaps. Tell us the process of making this kind of thing.
Man, you just kill the
Here,
fish.
you gotta catch the fish, you gotta
That's it.
kill the fish, you gotta gut the fish, you gotta bone the fish.
I wouldn't be surprised if Danielle does everything. Like, you're just sitting in a chair, she's fishing,
She's catching the fish.
Yeah.
I'm like, yeah, good job, babe. God.
It's like,
Post on Instagram, like, look at this baby I just got. Yeah, are we in car stuff? He laughs. He's like, "Holy shit! Yeah, that building does smell weird."
Oh my god, no! When we're standing outside,
That building smells horrible.
when we were standing outside, these like guys went by. All the hot chicks over at Cars.
Over at Cars.
Shut
People
up.
are the fucking worst.
They are. They suck.
Yeah. Next drop in, I'll take you guys to Dodgeball.
All right.
We're gonna
Yeah.
get killed.
Did they?
Die. We're
Yeah.
literally
Yeah.
Did they? Torrance.
Yeah, I won't deny that.
It's chunky in there. Just get like random clips.
Do you know Taylor Rayton? Yeah, I know.
Holy fuck.
Tori said he can take it.
What? What am I fixing? Snap. Oh, she went, buddy.
Oh, it's the fucking extension sliding in the socket making the noise.
Yeah, it is what that is. What? What do you cut?
Recorders.
Why? Put, I hate that song.
Take GTR.
Those are Rockets ones too.
No. Do you know about the green 240 that was on the island? It's like a single cam, top mount turbo. Sick, bro.
So smoky in here. How do you zoom?
That's because it's fogged up because you're breathing on it.
What do I do next, Dad?
Uncle Tor.
Seems so slow.
Those 14
Cameras suck.
There's green dinosaur.
Have you never had a dinosaur? It's red or
Fucking junk. Have you downloaded Halo yet? I did. Are you gonna post it?
yeah.
That's
too
too
bad.
bad. Might as well be smoking some if it smells like this.
Come on, catch on fire.
I have to be more specific.
Just a little too tight.
Deeper?
I'm gonna buy a Corolla wing. But not
Yeah.
yours, Tori, because it's too cool. Yeah, buy my wing.
No, it's too big.
It's too big.
Like your wheels.
Such little dick things to say.
Oh, it's lowrider spec.
No, DeLorean spec.
Is that you, Doc? Back to the Future.
Oh,
That was a gusher, buddy.
what is that?
Rad hose.
I think it's free, yeah?
He was like, yeah, I drove like such and such's KA car.
Going up.
Where are we going?
Going up, dude.
All the way up. Just kidding. Keep going. Keep going.
The power to weight right now? Crazy.
Oh,
Are we on the subject,
Yeah.
man? Yeah. Now that we've done this, you think it's easier to do
I
it
asked
this
the
way?
guy
or-
who had one in the parking lot. I was like, "How is it?" And he's like, "Yeah, it's really sick." And I was like, "Do you like?"
It's nice to like
any
get it out of the
grip when you,
bottom.
like, just dump
Putting
the
back in
clutch?
kind
And
of
he's
will
like,
suck, maybe.
"Yeah, I know.
Well, I think we can
pretty
just-
bad off the line." And I was like, "How much?"
We'll do it. We'll put it in the old-fashioned one.
175.
Put this up for a minute and
Oh
then
god.
in the front.
See,
That'll make it easy, you know what I mean?
At my parents' shop once they
I got COVID.
think three-wheeler called
Smoking. Okay, so what's next? Throw it out. Okay.
What do you think of SRs?
Oh, that's really greasy. What do I think of SRs?
Yeah.
I think that's what SRs do most of the time.
Sit on the ground, pod racer spec.
Yeah. Should have got an RB, man. Still be in the car.
Oh, we have a nice cube to go in here.
Bro.
Look at this ISR junk. Buy cube.
I can finally put my cube in after what, like a year and a half? They sent it. Yeah.
You fucking suck, bro.
Yeah. That's the response I wanted to give you too.
This attitude is shit. Come on.
Always ripping on Uncle Torrance for having knockoff stuff.
I didn't say
Even though-
knockoff. I
even-
said large.
Even though the knockoff stuff's right there.
That's not mine.
It's not mine either. Didn't you try selling me knockoff wheels today?
The boys will try to hit a million K up on that YouTube. The best kind.